The shocking benefits of adding this powder to your coffee. Coffee isn't just your morning pick-me-up. For millions of seniors, it may actually be stealing strength or rebuilding it faster than the most expensive supplement. After 60, your body loses up to 8% of muscle every decade, raising the risk of falls, fractures, and even early death. But here's the shocking truth. When combined with the right natural ingredients, that same cup of coffee can turn into powerful medicine. Hidden in overlooked studies, these additions have been shown to slash inflammation, protect arteries, melt belly fat, and even rebuild lost muscle. Big corporations won't tell you. There's no billion-dollar profit in these powerful ingredients. But today, you'll discover 8 proven additions you can stir into your coffee each morning, ranked from number 8 all the way to number 1. Make sure to watch until the end, because the number 4 ingredient is so powerful. One study found it improved mobility in seniors by over 40%. Yet hardly anyone in the West is using it. Before we dive in, let me ask, how old are you? Where are you watching from? And how's your health been lately? Drop it in the comments. We read every single one. Number 8, cinnamon. A spice most people think of only for desserts or holiday treats. But when you stir it into your coffee, it becomes a surprising, muscle-protecting weapon. Cinnamon is packed with compounds that fight inflammation, improve circulation, and most importantly, stabilize blood sugar. That last point is critical for seniors because unstable blood sugar silently robs your muscles of energy and accelerates muscle wasting. Take John, 68, who always felt drained after lunch and noticed his legs growing weaker on the stairs. His wife suggested he try sprinkling cinnamon in his morning coffee. Skeptical at first, he eventually gave it a shot. Within weeks, John was no longer nodding off in the afternoons. His legs felt lighter, and his blood sugar readings dropped by nearly 20 points. His doctor was shocked, all from a teaspoon of cinnamon each day. The science backs this up. Unstable blood sugar leads to insulin spikes that make it harder for muscles to absorb nutrients. Cinnamon helps smooth out those swings, giving your muscles a steady fuel supply instead of highs and crashes. Just half a teaspoon in your morning coffee is enough. For best results, use Ceylon cinnamon, also called true cinnamon, since it has lower levels of a compound called coumarin, which can be harmful in large doses. Unlike sugary creamers that harm your health, cinnamon adds no calories and no insulin spikes. Instead, it transforms ordinary coffee into a metabolic ally for your muscles. It's simple, safe, and affordable. Proof that sometimes the smallest tweaks deliver the biggest results. Number 7, cocoa powder. Yes, the same ingredient used for hot chocolate. But when added unsweetened to your coffee, it becomes a hidden superfood. Cocoa is loaded with flavanols, plant compounds proven to improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and support muscle recovery. For seniors, circulation is everything. When blood flow weakens with age, muscles receive less oxygen and fewer nutrients, leaving legs heavy and energy low. Cocoa helped flip that around. Take Evelyn, 72, who loved her coffee but dreaded how sluggish her legs felt during morning walks. Her grandson, a fitness enthusiast, suggested she stir a spoonful of unsweetened cocoa into her coffee. At first she laughed at the idea. Coffee and cocoa together? But within weeks, Evelyn noticed her walks felt lighter, her stamina improved, and even her blood pressure was lower at her next checkup. Science explains why. Studies show that flavonols in cocoa improve endothelial function, the ability of blood vessels to relax and deliver oxygen-rich blood to your muscles. This means better performance, stronger recovery, and less stiffness. And when combined with coffee's natural caffeine, cocoa creates a powerful 1-2 punch: energy plus enhanced circulation. The key is using unsweetened natural cocoa powder, not sugar-loaded hot chocolate mixes. Just 1 teaspoon stirred into your morning cup is enough. Not only does it give a rich, smooth flavor, it delivers muscle-protecting benefits every senior can use. Number 6, coconut oil or MCT oil. While it may sound unusual, this addition has been a long-standing practice in parts of Asia, where elders use it to fuel both body and brain. For seniors, it's more than a trend. It's a way to stabilize energy, protect muscles, and even support fat loss. Here's why it works. Unlike regular fats, medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, are quickly converted into ketones, a clean, efficient fuel for both your muscles and your brain. As we age, our cells become less efficient at using glucose, which is why fatigue, brain fog, and muscle weakness often creep in. Harold, 69, experienced this firsthand. He loved his morning coffee, but always felt shaky by late morning, reaching for sugary snacks just to get through the day. His son suggested he blend in a teaspoon of MCT oil. Harold was hesitant, joking that he didn't want greasy coffee. But after trying it, he noticed something remarkable. His energy stayed steady until lunch. His cravings disappeared. Over the next 2 months, he even lost 7 pounds around his waist. To use it, start small. Just 1 teaspoon of coconut or MCT oil blended into your coffee. You can build up slowly as your body adjusts. This habit trains your body to use fat more efficiently while keeping your muscles fueled throughout the day. Number 5, milk or soy milk. Adding milk or soy milk to coffee may seem like just a way to lighten the taste, but this small change transforms your coffee into a muscle-preserving drink. Milk delivers complete protein packed with all the essential amino acids your body needs, including leucine, the powerful trigger for muscle growth. Soy milk provides high-quality plant-based protein, plus isoflavones, which not only protect bones, but also support heart health. Dolores, 72, had been drinking her coffee black for decades, thinking she was making the healthier choice by skipping calories. But her daughter, a nurse, noticed her arms thinning and her strength fading. She suggested Dolores try adding soy milk to her morning coffee. Within a few months, Dolores noticed she could carry grocery bags more easily and climb stairs without as much strain. Her doctor even mentioned her bone density had slightly improved. Half a cup of milk or soy milk adds 4 to 6 grams of protein, enough to help stop overnight muscle loss. Unlike sugary creamers that add empty calories, milk or soy milk strengthens muscles, bones, and energy at the same time. Number 4, collagen powder. Often thought of as a beauty supplement, collagen is much more than skin deep. After 60, your body's natural collagen production drops by about 1% every year. That's why stiffness, creaky joints, and slow recovery become so common. Robert, age 70, loved gardening, but dreaded the soreness that came after even light work. His neighbor recommended collagen powder in his coffee. Within 2 months, he noticed less knee pain, smoother movement, and even the ability to kneel in the garden again without groaning. Collagen delivers the building blocks your muscles and joints need. Amino acids like glycine and proline. Just 1 scoop provides around 10 grams of protein that dissolves seamlessly into coffee with no taste. The result? Stronger muscles, healthier joints, and even improved bone density. A 2022 study showed that seniors supplementing with collagen reported reduced joint discomfort, faster muscle recovery, and greater flexibility compared to those who didn't. Number 3, whey protein powder. Many seniors think protein powders are just for bodybuilders, but research shows they may be even more important for older adults. After 60, your body becomes resistant to protein. Scientists call this anabolic resistance. In simple terms, the same amount of protein that built muscle in your younger years barely registers now. You need more and better quality protein to trigger muscle growth. Whey protein is rich in leucine, the amino acid that flips on your body's muscle building switch. One study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that seniors supplementing with whey protein gained 38% more lean muscle than those who didn't. Helen, 67, prided herself on staying active, but laundry baskets felt heavier, her arms looked thinner, and climbing stairs left her winded. Her son suggested she try adding a scoop of unflavored whey protein to her morning coffee. Within a few weeks, she noticed her arms were firmer, her legs steadier, and her doctor confirmed she had gained lean muscle. The best way to use it is simple. Stir 1 scoop of unflavored whey isolate into hot coffee. Number 2, chia seeds. Tiny, tasteless, and often ignored, chia seeds are one of the most powerful foods you can stir into coffee if you're over 60. When ground and added to a hot cup, chia seeds release a surge of fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and plant-based protein. Most seniors consume less than half the daily fiber and omega-3s their bodies require. That deficiency speeds up muscle decline, adds stubborn belly fat, and may worsen memory loss. George, 70, struggled with constipation, creeping belly fat, and constant fatigue. His daughter, a nutritionist, suggested grinding chia seeds and adding a teaspoon to his morning coffee. Within weeks, his digestion improved, his waistline slimmed, and his joints felt less stiff on his morning walks. Whole chia seeds often pass through the digestive tract without being absorbed, but when ground, they unlock their nutrients. Just 1 to 2 teaspoons stirred into hot coffee creates a creamy, slightly nutty drink that supports muscles, joints, and memory. Number 1, turmeric with black pepper. A golden duo that may look like a simple spice mix, but for seniors, it's one of the most powerful natural medicines you can add to your coffee. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound proven to slash inflammation, protect arteries, and even rebuild muscle strength. But here's the catch. On its own, your body barely absorbs it. Add just a pinch of black pepper, however, and absorption skyrockets by up to 2,000%. Inflammation is the hidden thief of strength after 60. It damages muscle tissue, stiffens joints, and weakens arteries, speeding up sarcopenia, arthritis, and even memory decline. Turmeric directly fights this process. It calms inflammation, reduces soreness, and protects your heart and brain. Take Satoshi, 73. Gardening was his passion, but constant knee pain and swelling forced him to stop. His daughter suggested he try adding half a teaspoon of turmeric with a dash of black pepper into his morning coffee. After a few weeks, he was back kneeling in the soil, pulling weeds without pain. His doctor was stunned by his lower inflammation markers and told him he moved like a younger man. To get the benefits, stir about half a teaspoon of turmeric and a small pinch of black pepper into hot coffee. For those sensitive to turmeric's earthy flavor, adding a dash of cinnamon or a drop of honey can help balance the taste. Turmeric with black pepper proves a powerful truth. Aging does not have to mean decline. Final thoughts. Before we close, an important note. This video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for medical advice. Every person's health situation is unique, so please check with your doctor or a qualified health professional before making any changes to your diet, especially if you take medications or have existing conditions. To quickly recap, we've covered 8 powerful additions you can stir into your morning coffee to rebuild muscle after 60. Cinnamon, cocoa powder, coconut oil or MCT oil, milk or soy milk, collagen powder, whey protein powder, ground chia seeds, turmeric with black pepper. Each one is simple, affordable, and backed by science. Each one can help turn your ordinary coffee into a powerful ally for your muscles. So now it's your turn. Which of these additions will you try first? Cinnamon, whey, or maybe turmeric? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your story. And don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to Senior Vital Health for more science